What's goody? It's your girl, Alina, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine. I've been getting a lot of suggestions for this video, so I figured I might as well just make it. Oh, and by the way, this is my wash routine, not like my everyday daily routine, but I will show you like the products I use and stuff, so let's get right into it. Hey guys, so once I'm in the shower, I take my hair down right away. Oh, and disclaimer, I am wearing a bathing suit, so I don't want anyone in the comments being like, oh, she's naked. Because I'm not, okay? Okay. So the first thing I do once I'm in the shower is I rinse my hair off under the water and make sure the water isn't hot, because if it's hot, your hair will be really frizzy and dry the next day, so make sure it's lukewarm. So the next thing I do after I run my hair under the shower is I grab my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo by Shea Moisture. So yeah, I grab that and I pour about like a handful onto my hand. Then I lather that and massage really deep into the scalp. And make sure you get really in there, guys, because you want to get that grease, that dirt, all those dead skin cells from the week. After I lather the shampoo in my hair, I grab my wide tooth comb. It doesn't matter where it's from. I got this one from Dollar Tree. So yeah, you grab your comb and you make sure that your hair still has shampoo in it, and then you comb through your hair with the shampoo in it. And I've noticed when I do this, my hair looks really clean and really healthy. So after I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, it's conditioner time. I've used the Mane & Tail Deep Moisturizing Conditioner, and if you want to use this, you have to make sure it's the deep moisturizing one, because the other one does not work as well. And here you can see I just lather it on my head. It doesn't really matter where you put it, just put it all over. That's what I do. So once I'm done putting the conditioner in my hair, I just grab my hair tie and then I just put my hair up in a bun for the remainder of the shower. So once my hair is up in a bun, I grab my shower cap and then I just leave my hair in there while I wash my body, and then I rinse.
One eternity later.
Once I'm out of the shower, the first thing I do is I grab my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture, and I just put that all over my head. Once the mask is all in my hair, I grab my Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil, and this works really well, especially on dry hair. I usually just put this on my ends, but if my hair is really dry that day, I'll just put it all everywhere basically. Okay, so I know it seems like I use a lot of products, but the last thing that I use is the Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, and I just spray this all over my head. This is the same conditioner I used in the shower to wash my hair, but I also use this as a leave-in conditioner on regular days. Yeah, it's the Mane and Tail Deep. Make sure it's the deep moisturizing one because the regular one does not, nah, that shit does not work. But yeah, this is definitely something to make my hair really moisturize. All the links to the products are going to be in the description, so if you guys want to buy it or try it out, it'll be in the description box. If you guys like my video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for a video next week. From the CRINGY.